Earlier on in my sales career, I sold advertising to small businesses.
I had your job. I was good at it. It was simpler then.
And I remember at the end of a sales demo, which lasted about 30 minutes, by the way, people would tell me things like, I like this, but I'm about to go into a renovation project at my business that'll take 3 months. I'm short-staffed right now. I'm in a contract with the Yellow Pages, so I can't even get out of that until next year.
They gotta think about it. They gotta talk to the fucking wives or the fucking tooth fairy.
And in my mind, I'm like, are you kidding me?
About now, you still wired in?
You told me 30 minutes later that you're in a contract with the Yellow Pages that you can't get out of? This is a long time ago, by the way. The Yellow Pages was still a thing. I remember feeling like,
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
why would this person not tell me in the beginning of the call? And then I realized, well, they don't owe me anything.
They don't trust you guys.
It's my job to inspire them and to sell them, and they owe me literally
Nothing! Nothing!
So I started asking questions way earlier that would help me understand physically preventative measures towards the end.
What's your contingency plan?
Contingency plan?
For example, some of the questions I would ask were, hey, I'm about to go into my demo, and I know I still have to sell you and make you really excited about this product. If I do that, and that's with a big if, would anything physically prevent you from taking advantage of this? For example, are you guys short-staffed right now? Are you about to go into a renovation project that'll literally shut down your business for the next 3 months?
Are you fucking with me?
Are you in like some crazy contract with the Yellow Pages that you can't get out of, even if you were to sell your firstborn?
There is no secret he cannot extract, no security he cannot breach, no person he cannot become.
And people will be like, no, none of those things will prevent me. And I said, great. So if you like it, and that's a big if, nothing physically will prevent you from moving forward. So I know I have a job to do today. Let's go.
I accept your challenge.
And then people will get a good laugh out of that. And look, don't get me wrong, at the end of the sales pitch, I would still have hesitations. No sales pitch is perfect.
Are you sure?
But at least the hesitations were real. We got the BS out of the way super early so that at the end, if somebody had concerns, they were real concerns and we had a real conversation about it. My name is Lavi. This channel is about sales and leadership. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you need to do that right now. It's one small click for you, one giant leap for the YouTube algorithm. Happy selling.